Hi, and welcome to the first video of Rizal PC. Today, we're showing you the best pre-built gaming PCs for the 2022. With these 5 monsters of the gaming, you will be able to play any game you want. The first one on the list is the HP Omen 30L, that costs around $2,200 and is completely worth it based on its performance. With an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, 8GB graphics, and an AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, 8-core, 3.80 GHz base frequency, up to 4.7 GHz with max boost. The Omen 30L gaming desktop PC has got the looks and can back it up. With the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor and an RTX 3060 Ti, you can play from day one. Skills are half of the game, but with the Omen 30L gaming PC, you really can't make excuses about losing. And you can turn up your computer gaming performance even more with the included HP Omen Command Center software that enables control over your CPU overclocking settings and prioritizes your gaming traffic to minimize latency. The performance of this PC is amazing. If you want to play Fortnite on a high quality settings on a 1920 by 1080 monitor, it will run 240 FPS. So it's perfect for competitive games like the just mentioned or the Call of Duty Warzone. The second one is a Cyberpower PC Gamer Supreme Series, which costs around $1,700. The Gamer Supreme Series features monstrous processing power, combined with the latest and greatest graphics cards to handle even more the demanding games on the market. An immense RAM allows you to easily tackle system-intensive applications such as video editing and ensures a lag-free multitasking experience. A lightning-fast SSD boot drive provides quick load times for your most used games and apps. The Gamer Supreme series looks as stunning as it performs, as all these high-end components are packaged in a striking and sleek chassis. This PC can perfectly perform competitive games as high-demanding programs like the Adobe Pack or video editing programs. This machine can run GTA 5 performing 80 FPS at ultra-quality settings. If you want to play Fortnite, it will run at 175 FPS on epic quality settings. So this PC is really good if you want one that can run games perfectly as it does with programming or editing programs. Then we have the HP Pavilion that I consider the best, based on quality price. The HP Pavilion gaming desktop PC that costs around $1,200 bring high performance and reliability from trusted brand that protects what matters to you the most. This PC is perfect for the ones who love playing all the games in the market but don't care about becoming a professional or playing every game on ultra quality settings. The Core A5 10400F processor changed the PC industry with award-winning performance, let you render, edit, and stream better than ever before. So, if what you want is a PC to enjoy with your friends and not worry about whether or not it will run the next games on the market, this is perfect for you. The next one is another HP Pavilion gaming desktop that costs $1,200, but in this case with an AMD Ryzen 7 5700G desktop processor. Whether you are playing the latest games, designing the next skyscraper, or crunching scientific data, you will need a powerful processor that can handle it all. The AMD Ryzen 7 5700G desktop processor sets the bar for gamers and artists alike. With an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 super graphics that gives you multimedia experience a boost with fast performance and real-time ray tracing. Play games and edit photos or videos with the stunning quality you only get from dedicated graphics. This PC can run Fortnite at 90 and 105 FPS while not fighting at epic settings. In medium quality, the FPS increased to 180 up to 200 FPS. So it's a really good PC for competitive games, but much better for high-demand programs. The last one is an Amazon choice and costs $850. It's perfect for new gamers or to upgrade your old PC to a new one that will allow you to play all the games in the market in medium quality graphics or high quality on games like CSGO, League of Legends, or Valorant. With the all-new NVIDIA Turing architecture and a 4 GB GDDR6 dedicated memory, you'll boost your creativity and gaming experience with a real-time ray tracing and fast performance with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super Graphics card. The SSD storage make your gaming PC desktop 10 times faster than a traditional hard drive, while 8 GB DDR4 memory gives you a boost to your browsing and multitasking. The only thing I can suggest to you on this PC is to add a 1 TB hard drive, because the SSD memory is just 256 gigabytes, so to have a better experience, try to add a hard drive. So that's it for today's video. If you want to ask about a PC based on your budget, comment down below and we will help you to find the perfect one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like and subscribe if it helped you or if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye!